and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about Moira. Now Moira is a healer. She is a support hero, and her main support is basically healing her teammates. Now, if you look at her abilities, she's got Bionic Grasp. This Bionic Grasp allows you to heal your enemies as well as do heal your teammates and do damage to your enemies. You've got a Biotic Orb. This Biotic Orb basically, depending on if you want to heal or damage, you basically do your left click or right click, and that's gonna throw an orb of healing or a throw of damage. And then you've got your Fade ability, which basically makes you invulnerable, and allows you to move real fast. And her ultimate is basically a beam that deals damage as well as heals teammates. So this is the grasp. As you can see, it has quite a range, but not the best range, meaning you want to get close to them and you don't need to aim them. Your crosshair just has to be in a vicinity, right? And if you're fighting against tanks, as you can see, it just needs to be in the vicinity. You don't need to exactly have the aim on top of them. Now this, as you see, every time I press E, I'm gonna have this. So these are the two orbs I'm talking about. If I do right click, it's gonna do damage to both targets. And if I do left click, don't die. See, it does healing. And this is the healing ability, basically left click. And then this is right click. Let me just show you guys the ultimate. So now this ultimate basically does damage just like that. And if I aim at my teammates, it does immediate healing. And honestly, that's about it. Moira is one of the easiest heroes to play, since you don't really need to aim that much. All you gotta do is keep your crosshair in the vicinity, and her abilities are very useful. If you want to do damage, if you want to do healing, doesn't really matter. Now over here, if I throw this orb, as you see, it heals both of them. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.